Yeah, now I have unmuted participants also, so anyone can unmute and then want to say his opinion, views, or words.
This is Shiv Kumar Bellan from Chennai. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is Shiv Kumar Bellan. I'm a brand storyteller from Chennai. First of all, happy birthday, Vivek ji.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
You
much.
brought all the nostalgic moments of my pharma days in Mumbai. And as you rightly mentioned, it was a great tribute to Professor Chittamitra. And I was very lucky to be with him for almost 2 days in SEMA, Kolkata, when I was heading marketing in Panesh in one of the divisions. And even in Alchem days, I brought the nostalgic moments of Sanjay Mitra ji. I think was handling the antibiotics. So I still, it's nice to see someone, a good friend, after so many years on a webinar and not a face to face. So it was a fantastic session. I think today I must make a point with to all the speakers. I must say that it was like watching a Bollywood blockbuster. You cannot have Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman, and Amir Khan in the same movie, but it was like to me like that because when all these speakers, such a nice type of mixture. I would say it's a nice decoction, different varieties was there, and even like a speaker like Narayanan sir, though he quit pharma industry for the last 15 years, the way he was speaking about Metrogyl, I like to him. It was I was feeling, that is the level of passion any brand manager has to have in today's context. Because now, as a brand storyteller, I interact with a lot of top doctors in the country. I write stories for medical things through Nestle. I train doctors too. So one thing is very clear is that, like many of the senior people have mentioned, in those days, like Sanjay Mitra would confess to this, there was really a brand storytelling. Every brand had a great story to tell. Even the Bicosol or the Cobodex or whatever had a great story. And even with 12 pages of visual aid, they were able to tell the story to the doctor without any interruption. But today, because the attention span is getting very less and less nowadays, the doctor's attention span is nearing to just a minute or so. So even if you tell more than a minute, the doctor will tell, I know the story, like, what is your brand name? The simple thing, because we put too much of facts and figures. It's more like a stock market. Put so much of information on a visual aid. There is no beautiful storytelling that is lacking. And that, as a professional, I've taken in the last 10 years, created to close to 175 medical documentaries, which travel to more than 50 countries. And today's session, a learning for me is that still, if you tell a beautiful brand story, that's what humans love. I think still people are enlightened to listen to science-based storytelling. And I must say to all the participants and to Pharma State for giving us such a wonderful opportunity. I must say we learned a lot of things on brand management. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Unmute.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Atul Hadap. Yeah, sir, please.
Yeah. Good evening, all of you. As Mr. Sivakumar has rightly said, this was a mega movie, extremely interesting movie, and lots of dramas and a lot of actors. And it was extremely a big joy to me to attend this event yesterday and today. I thank Mr. Vivek Hattangari, sir. I think I just happened to give you a ring out of the blue, and to give you my respect.
Thank you.
And all of a sudden, I came to know that you're hosting and you're conducting this program, and you got in touch with me, Dr. Swati. So I think that was a great moment, which I will never ever forget. And of course, I happen to know you, sir, since our Torrent days. We worked together in Torrent, if you can remember.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So I think it was it was I had always heard these brands like Bucosol. I had always heard these brands like Metrogyl, Januvia, and of course I had heard about Mr. Sandeep also. I used to often listen to the stories how these brands became big. And when even I was working as a medical rep somewhere in the year 1981, I think Bhaskar also referred to Vibalan. I was with Allenbury's division in Glaxo selling Vibalan. So I used to hear about these brands. I used to see the colleagues selling these brands. But today I came to know how these brands were built. So I think it was it was not only down the memory lane, but also important was the learning and the snippets which I got. And even after so many years of brand building, I still feel there is a lot to do and a lot to learn, and how still the mega brands can be really made. So I think, Dr. Swati, it was a great opportunity for me to associate with you yesterday and today. And once again, I thank Professor Vivek. I still call him as Vivek sir. So thanks a lot, Vivek sir, for giving me this opportunity, and the phone call which I gave you out of the blue, I think turned out to be a very good learning. So thanks a lot. I never thought that I will be a part of this for the 2 days, but thanks a lot. And extremely, I think I'm extremely thankful to also the academicians who attended this program. To also, it was a joy to understand, to learn the view of Dr. Sunil and the faculties, which also happened learned yesterday. Because being from corporate, I think I used to always get a one-sided view, but to also have a view of the academicians, to also have a view of the students who are the major stakeholders in this event. I think this was an extremely good event, very well organized. If it is running out
Thank
of
you
the
so much.
time, if it is running out of the time, Dr. Swati, you should let it run out of the time. Yeah, I think I think next time you should not sit with a stop clock. I think it's not required. So once again, my heartfelt thanks to all of you, and I look forward to be with you whenever is the next event. It will be an opportunity for me to once again uh, understand the learnings that all of you continue to have. Thank you so much. All the
Thank you,
best.
Atul. Thank you so much, Atul.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Atul sir.
So, Dr. Swati, last one more comment we can take, and then we do the formal
There are
close.
two more. One is Afroz Khan and Prasenjit. We'll take
Okay,
both
right.
of them.
Okay.
Dr. Shoti,
Yeah, Prasenjit, you can unmute yourself.
Dr. Shoti,
Yes, sir.
yeah, I am from Bangladesh.
Yeah,
Can I
please.
speak?
Yeah, sure,
Yes,
sure,
sir.
sure,
Why
sure.
not? Why not?
First of all, I am wishing Dr. Vivek sir happy birthday, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Shoti. I am Akim Asanullah, Director and CEO Global Pharma Bangladesh. So,
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Welcome, sir. Right.
So I am very happy and thank you, Vivek sir, for giving me the excellent opportunity to tie up this mega and multiple session, and this is very wonderful session. I thank you all. Thank you very much. Last 28 years I am in the pharmaceutical industry, but I have never seen such types of mega platform where is an excellent learning we have learned today. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank
all.
you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, Prasenjit Chaudhary.
Okay. I'm feeling extremely honored to speak over here because here my guru, Mr. Vivek Hattangadi, is present. Under him and under Mr. Tarun Gupta, I started my brand management course, of course, in Intas. And I have the fortune of listening to Mr. Sanjay Mitra and Professor Chitta Mitra in Intas only during their presentations. And there are good friends of mine. Devashish is there. Mr. Narayanan is there, with whom I sold Metrogil. And Bhaskar Chakravarti sir is also there, whom I first time listening, but he is my friend for pretty long time, probably 10 years in Facebook. So it is very nice to hear, and it's extremely big learning process for me. In fact, what I wanted to say, this time I represent Nepal, not Bengal. I represent Nepal as a South Asian country. Next time onwards, I will bring more of my friends from Nepal in this session, and we will have a better participation from Nepal. That's my only submission, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Very happy New Year, happy birthday, sir.
Thank you. Afroz Khan.
Thank you, Prasenjit sir.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Afroz Khan, you can unmute, sir, and please speak.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah. Audible
very
and
good-
visible too.
Very good evening to each and every speaker. I am a MBA Pharmacy student from Naipur, Hyderabad. this session just came up to me from our seniors group. Like they found some video from they found a link from the LinkedIn. So I have to say about 5 things that I today get very beneficial for myself. First is that very, very happy birthday, Vivek sir.
Thank
Like
you.
you are organizing this meet on your birthday.
No,
Last
it's
year,
not on my birthday. No. Make no mistake. It's not because of a birthday.
no,
It is the day on which Professor Chitta Mitra he left for heavenly abode. It has no relation to my birthday. That is a misconception which maybe people have. No, nothing to do with
okay,
my
sir.
birthday.
This misconception is released, sir. Okay. The point is that, sir, even on my birthday this November, I was organizing a meet for juniors regarding the GPAT exam and several exams to get studies on board. So I thought this is a very, instead of wasting time, I was focusing on something. Second, sir, I want to thank Pramod, sir. Yesterday only we were having a meet with Pramod Rajput, sir. Sir, in the process of this meeting, sir talked about the communication skills and building the relation with, like he said, he have a link with 5,000 doctors that know him. Sir, I realized after that session, he just replied to our comments and liked the comments. So this was just for relation building, sir. Third thing, sir, I want to thank the doctors' perspective in this meet, like Dr. Neeta Deshpande and Dr. Shripad Raju. Sir, we do not, we learn very less about the doctor's perspective in our MBA program, but this meet was, sir, excellent for our learning. And fourth one is I want to thank Dr. Muhammad Mujahidul Islam. Like he taught about brand building and that we should launch our brand. I learned that I will also work hard to make a brand and I will work hard to make my baby brand. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay. Fifth one is I would like to thank for the oath, Professor Chitta Mitra oath. I was actually having very doubt like how will be these communicating with doctors. Like some companies offer some leisure, some tickets and dinners and lunches for the doctors. With this oath, I certainly get the rays of hope that future is going to be good and we need not to do unethical things. That's from my side. Thank you everyone.
Wonderfully put. Wonderfully put. Really
Thank you,
wonderful.
Afroz Khan. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
Can I just say a couple of words?
Yeah.
Yes, why not, sir?
Afroz Khan, I appreciate what you said. It was so wonderfully put. You remember there was a time when traditional cooking was the taste of the season. And then came the fast food culture. And today, people are going back to traditional cooking. It is everything happens in a cycle. So the learning-based, knowledge-based selling was there. Then came purchasing or transactional selling. Now we are going back to knowledge-based selling. That will happen because everything is cyclic in this universe.
Yeah, very good analogy.
Touch of philosophy there. Wonderfully done, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
So Vivek, sir, your valediction address. And
my valediction address is already done. The small message which I gave to the students, the wonderful learnings from our presenters today. My valediction address is that whenever they should do their homework well before venturing out. That's the only piece of advice I have. That's all.
Thank you, Vivek, sir. And you made all the pharma brand managers happy today on your happy birthday. We wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Once again, I'm not celebrating my birthday at all.
No, sir. It's different from that. But it's about the knowledge sharing that happened today. And we all are very happy about it. We heard lots of luminaries from the pharma industry. We had lots of interactions. We had contest winners also with us and industry experts with us across India and Bangladesh and Nepal also. So let us close this session by thanking everyone for participating, and we look forward to connecting with you on the next event. Stay connected with
Next year.
us.
Yeah.
Thank
And
you,
with
Sanjay
at
sir.
the end,
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you,
Swati,
thank you,
at the
thank you,
end,
thank you.
just I would like to play the conceptual video of Pharma State Academy, what Pharma State Academy is all about. In a 30 or 40-second video, you'll just see.
Dr.
And
Swati, 1 minute, can I speak?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, please.
Sunil sir.
I think Dr. Swati as well as Dr. Satish, of course, Professor Vivek, and the entire team at Pharma State Academy needs a special compliments for such a wonderful
Really thankful,
program.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
And
much.
you have really done it very professionally, and I can understand the amount of background work which actually goes in the organization of such a mammoth program. So heartiest compliments to all at
Thank
Pharma
you.
State
Thank
Academy.
you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
sir.
Dr. Sunil. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Narayanan sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. We are ending up with the Pharma State video showing the concept, and we signing off with this.
Thank you.